Now let's show you a wiring mode of the illuminated crank arm and how to match it. First we have to prepare a wire. The 2-coil wire is used to connect the lamp band of the crank arms on both sides and the transformer of the motor. We see the crank arm here. There are 2 lines here. Because it has lights at the front and rear, so its 4 wires connected together. When we leave the factory, the wire has been connected. Generally, the brown wire is live wire and the blue wire is zero wire. The other side is the same. We link it up. Because the motor is on this side, the motor has 2 wires, which is the main power line of the motor. This is the built-in motor. It has a transformer and a light strip line. The same black is the zero line. Red is live wire. This side is short. Let's trim it. Trim its line a little longer. On this side, first connect the red wire near the motor. Connect them in series. The blue and black wires are connected in series. And the other side is the same. Red with brown, blue with blue wires in series. Once connected, we can wrap it with electrical tape. Prevent the live line and zero line from touching. Prevent electric leakage. Well, now our wires are connected. We match the motor. We will do the matching of light strip later. We will match the motor first. Power on first. The motor sounds. The motor starts to work. Then press PR. Press PR again. Press up key. Now the matching is successful. Okay, the motor has been matched. Next, we will do the lamp matching. Cut off the power first. Wait for approx 3 to 5 seconds. Turn on the power again. Wait for about 3 seconds for energization. Wait for the motor to sound completely. Press up and down keys of the remote controller at the same time. Then press PR. Okay. The light strip has been paired. Wait for the motor to react and then press the lamp switch. That's what worked.